Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. So, how are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Amara. Chalo, give me just 2 minutes, okay? I have to open certain files. Okay? I'm there only. Yeah. Just give me. Others are also joining, so I have to open certain files. Give.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Khadija.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Musfira. Tell me.
can you show the screen of that when we was writing 40 plus 6, 26 plus 19? We was writing, so I didn't write whole. So, can I write now?
Recording in progress.
I didn't get you, Musfira. Can you repeat it?
Ma'am, I'm saying that can you show that and we was writing 40 plus 6 that
Puzzle one. That puzzle one.
Yes. So can you show it because I didn't write the whole.
Okay.
I want to write now. Excuse me,
But we are doing.
ma'am.
Yes.
Amara, I want to tell something. That house one, what is that? I don't understand. What
That
to do
at
with the
first
house?
place I didn't upload that. I didn't upload it at Google. I didn't upload at Google Classroom. Am I right? Anything related to that house worksheet. There was some misunderstanding from Zainab. So that was given as homework. So don't worry about it. Okay, Amara? So leave it. That house.
My math.
Yeah, very nice. Amara, that house one, the question in that house and all was there. That is related to another chapter, fact family, number family. But I haven't done that chapter with you. So why you have to do the homework? Are you understanding? When I have not
Yes.
done the chapter, why will I'll give you the homework and why you have to do it? You'll only do the assignment and homework for the things which I have done with you. Is it clear? So no confusion, it was a mistake. Now coming to Musfira's point. Beta, Musfira, you have to, Musfira, instead of instead of making you write here, why don't you write the pairs and you give it to me?
Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Abdullah Patel, and here I will be.
Yeah, Musfira?
Okay, sir. I will write the pairs. I will write the pairs and then I will.
Musfira, let me
Can I submit you on WhatsApp?
Yes, Musfira, listen.
WhatsApp or Google's Classroom.
Classroom will also do. Okay. And listen, Musfira, what you can do, you can go through the recording also. Fine. You are unable to hear me or what? You can go through the recording also. Previous recording in which we have solved that puzzle. Okay. Have you heard? Did you hear me? Musfira, unmute yourself. How would I understand?
Yes, ma'am. But
Hello.
yes, ma'am. But can I write my page and I can submit on WhatsApp?
If it is right, you can. If it is right, you can definitely. You can. Where is Musfira Sayyed? Zainab, how are you? Ian, how are you? Amir, turn on your camera, Amir. Turn on your camera.
Ma'am, I have student. How about you?
What? I'm asking Amir to turn on the camera.
इसमें रखें
Okay.
Ma'am, what do we have to do?
Yeah. Wait, I'm telling. Have patience. Look.
Mom, what are you telling yesterday in science class? You were showing something to
Yeah.
Khadija.
Yeah. Amara, beta, Amara, listen. This is I'm showing for you specifically. Beta, when I'm opening your assignment, I'm unable to see it. Look, what is the, can you just upload it again and send me? Because it's only you that has been left with the checking part. Amara, are you listening?
Is it that one that you told solve the problem?
Yeah, true.
That
Arey, but this is not visible to me. Just see na. That's what I'm showing you.
I can also not see. I will upload it today.
Yes, you
Okay,
do it
ma'am.
again. I'm trying for so many times. Look, I have checked for everyone. If you see this, only yours is remaining. I have written. Look, only yours is remaining. Who's this? Ali? This is Alina, right?
No, ma'am. This is Maria.
Okay, this is Maria. Look, look, I have returned to these many kids. They have given me and I have returned to everyone the assignment. Only for you, Amara. So I'm thinking from when you have submitted, so even I should return you, na? Even you should know what you have done. So at least, please, dear, tell your mother or to upload it again. You do it. You must be having 9 written. Upload that again.
Yes, ma'am.
Please do that, Amara, in this week. Yes. Because I'm unable to open it, beta. Fine. So this I wanted to
Okay,
show.
ma'am.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
And Zainab is clear with her doubts. Where is Zainab? She went again. Okay, everyone at their place. Zainab, are you clear with your doubt for maths?
Doubt.
Yeah, you had, na? For the steps and all,
The
that is
workshop.
clear. Okay. Yeah, and that worksheet part which you have given, which you have uploaded in the class, that you don't have to do it. Again, I'm specifying. Again, I'm saying worksheet. That chapter is not done. So you cannot do that homework because chapter is only not done. Okay. Now let me start. Where is Musfira? I will. Yeah. Where is Musfira?
Ma'am, what is the date?
Who's that? 15th of December. Half of the month is gone. We are about to enter the new year in 15 days. You know? Yeah.
1, 5.
Last time, what did we do? You people are getting bored. Chalo, everyone get up. Get up. Simon says get up. Little warm up I have to give you before the session. Simon says get up. Walk, jog, run, walk, jog, fast, fast, fast. Simon says walk. Walk, jog. Jog, jog. Simon says jog. Zainab, I can't see you. Ian, why so lazy, Ian? In front of your camera. Don't jog in such a way that I'm unable to. Yes, Zainab, Amir, Ali. You people are jogging in your own world. How would I make out? What are you doing? Yes, yes, yes. Simon says laugh. Laugh loudly. So lovely. More loudly. More intense. More. Feel like you went to a circus and a clown is doing. Okay. Simon says stop. Simon says sit now. Sit. Simon says get your maths book and pencil. That's it. Now it's time for maths. Everybody has to concentrate. Musfira, Sayyid, turn on your camera. Zainab, you have to sit with your book when the session starts. This is not done. You know, today is a maths class and half of the people are getting the book in the middle of the session. Ian, where's your book?
Ma'am, Khadija.
Yeah, Khatija. Only I have seen only Amara's book. Yeah, Khatija, what's your problem, beta? Tell me.
Ma'am, always maths class, I always bring my book.
Good, maths. Even for science, if you're not getting it, it's okay. Because science, we keep it more interactive. We talk aloud. But for maths, you have to solve it. How you can just like sit for maths like that and listening the lecture session class, listening me.
Ma'am,
Ali,
Khadija.
Amir. Look, it wasted my time 10 minutes. Last time we did a this thing activity which was totally a flop. Am I right? Okay, because of my internet connectivity. Now I want you to know what have you understood through that activity. Can anybody tell me what was your understanding? One by one. If I have given you some activity, so it must be having some idea, some concept. It couldn't be like something I'll give you in the air and keep doing it. Zainab, Musfira, come sit at your place.
Ma'am, Khadija, have
Yeah,
you
Khatija,
seen my...
you start.
Ma'am, did you see my homework? Ma'am,
Yes, I have seen. I have returned you. You didn't get.
ma'am, Amara, I'm very thirsty. I forgot to drink water. Can I?
Okay, go. I thought you were telling me something about that activity, Amara. Okay, so last time we did an activity about that popsicle sticks and the elastic band. Can anybody tell me what was it was related to? What concept? Anyone?
It was adding and minus. It was adding. We were adding.
Dividing.
Multiplication.
Amir, where did you go, Amir? Amir, I can see only your mother. Where are you?
Ma'am, multiplication we were doing. Multiplication. Multiplication.
Okay. Amir,
Multiplication.
what's the problem? Yes, now I can see you.
Ma'am, we were adding three groups of 2, 3 groups of 3, 3 groups of 4, 5.
How many of you say it was an addition? How many of you say it was an addition? Let me, Zainab, Musfira, Rizwani, Amara, put on your headphones, otherwise you won't understand. Headphones lagao, jaldi, fast. Yeah. Okay, it's Musfira and Rizwani and Zainab. How many of you say it was subtraction? How many of you say it was subtraction activity? Ian, how it could be subtraction? Yeah, Ian, did I ask you to remove the popsicle stick from the bundle, from the group? Did I ask you? Try to remember. On last Friday, did I ask you to do that? No, it can't be subtraction at any cost. How many of you say it was multiplication? How many of you say it was multiplication? Okay, Amir, Ali, Khatija, okay, Ian, is Musfira and Amara. And how many of you say it was division? How many of you say it was division? Amara, it was multiplication as well as division. Okay, leave about division. You must have
No,
not.
ma'am, I only for multiplication.
So, Zainab, Musfira, Rizwani, Ian, you were wrong. Addition is partially correct, but I was teaching you the concept of multiplication. What is multiplication? What did we do? I'm sharing a whiteboard with you.
If we add 3 groups of 2, so
Yes,
like
yes,
2
yes.
plus
Wait,
2
wait,
is
wait.
4 and
Let
4 plus
everyone
2 is 6.
understand.
2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6.
Exactly. Wait. Here,
Musfira, ma'am is saying something.
yes. Musfira, look, this is very important thing, beta. I want everyone to understand. If you will speak, other will not understand, beta. I'll give you time. Then you can keep your points. Okay, Musfira? I want my each and every kid should understand what's going on in the class. You cannot sit blank. Okay, Musfira?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me share the white screen with you. Sorry, the whiteboard. I'm so sorry. What am I saying? White screen. Oh my God. What's that white screen? I have to invent that. Okay? Sure, everyone. And nobody leaving their place, huh? Though you have done
Ma'am,
it, you have not done it. I
you'll
don't
write
care.
in the ma'am, you'll write in the whiteboard. You have to write that.
No. Today, no writing part, only the remembering part. And if you could write it and understand, then it's your wish. Okay, but now you have to understand. Yeah.
I'm gonna write.
No. Moment you start writing, you stop thinking. And I don't want that. I'll give you time for writing also.
Ma'am, Khadija wants to ask something. She has raised her hand.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me, Khatija. I'm writing so you can question me so that I can answer you simultaneously. Okay.
Ma'am, 6.
Okay, Zainab, my question to you is, how many which number we are adding here repeatedly? Which number?
2.
Very nice. Everyone is Zainab? Now Zainab, the question to you is again, how many times we are adding 2 in the first step? How many times? How many times? Look, what am I saying? I am adding the number 2. And how many times I'm adding the number 2? How many times I'm adding the number 2? 2. Zainab, unmute yourself, beta. I can see your actions. Okay.
2 times.
Yes. When, okay, over here. How I want Musfira Rizwani to answer. Which number I'm adding repeatedly? Musfira in second. 2. Okay, Musfira, how many times we are adding that number? How many times?
5.
No.
Yes,
Count it, na? How many times?
If the cause of the coding is yes, ma'am.
How many times we are adding the number? 2. How many times, Musfira?
Ma'am, Amara, can I tell?
Wait. I want Musfira to
6.
answer 3 times. Beta, Musfira. 1,
The variable
and 3. Okay, Musfira.
How many 2s are there?
Understood? So how many times I'm adding? 2? Tell me. 3 times. Okay. Here, when you add a number which is repeated again, and by how many times it is
Rizwani got confused because she thought that we have to plus all of the
No.
2s.
I didn't ask you. I'm just asking you. So which number is added repeatedly and how many times? Look at my question. Just think what I'm saying. Accordingly, you have to answer. Never give the final answer. You know, I don't ask for the final answer. I ask you for the method. Okay. Now look here. What I have done, instead of multiplying that number, adding that number again and again, what I'll do, I'll just multiply the number which has to be added and how many times it has to be added. And we have to take a multiplication sign in between. So multiplication is basically a repeated addition. Let's take example over here. 3 into 3. I want Amara to answer this. After this, Khatija and then Ian. Okay? Just remember your sequence. Amara, which number? I'm so sorry. I just wrote multiplication. It has to be plus over here. Okay? Yeah. Amara, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Which number we are adding it repeatedly? Tell me. Which number we are adding it again and again? Yeah, Amara. Which number?
Number 3.
Very nice. And how many times we have added? I'm repeating again. How many times we have added 3?
4.
Very nice, Amara. Very good. And what I'll place over here? What I'll place over here?
Multiplication.
Now add these 3. Now add this 3 4 times. Come on. 3 plus 3 is how much? Fast. We have done it.
3, 6.
6 plus 3 is how much? 9. 9 plus 3 is how much? 12.
12.
4 is what? 12.
12.
Musfira Rizwani.
3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12.
Musfira Rizwani, have you understood this? Yeah, Ali.
It's
Yeah,
not
have you
21, it's
understood this?
12.
Yes. Amir, have you understood this? If you have understood this, now we have to see the tables. Have you heard about 2's table? Have you heard about 3's table? Have you heard about 4's table?
Yes.
Yeah. Ian, Khatija went away, so I'm not asking her. I'll ask Ian now. Because Ian, just a second, kids.
Ma'am, I'm here.
What
I'm
happened?
here, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm here, Khadija.
Yeah,
Table
Khadija.
still 2. I know table still 2 only.
Okay, no,
One
we
and
learn. Look, I'll take each one session for one table. I want you to learn thoroughly. Only at this age only.
Oh, ma'am, I
learn
know
the-
5 table, 2 table, and 1 table. That is it.
Musfira, what am I saying? I will make you learn. Trust me, na. Trust your teacher. I'll make you learn. Okay? Yeah.
You always trust table also. It's so easy.
Okay. Ali knows everything. So Ali will going to teach us 3's table in next session. Today I'll cover you.
Yes. Let's see how much
I know.
Ian,
Yes. Let's learn again.
everybody mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. You are distracting my flow of teaching. Yeah. Ian will only unmute himself and he can answer. Yeah, Ian. Question is, how many times? Okay, which number is added repeatedly? Which number is added?
4.
Very nice. How many times? How many times?
2 times.
Yes. Which sign I'll place in the between? Multiplication.
Multiply.
So 4 plus 4 is how much? Tell me.
4 plus 4 is
Count. If you don't know sound, start counting. Yes, look, Puspira is giving you hint. Rizwani is giving you hint. Khatija, 4 plus 4 is how much? Yeah, Khatija?
Count it on your fingers.
Khatija, what is
4
4?
fingers in one hand and the other hand
Yes,
also fingers.
this is 4. Okay? And this is also 4. Add it. Now I will faint now. Don't tell me my kids don't know what is 4 plus 4. Yeah, no, that's fine. Okay?
Khadija, don't tell the answer.
Is 8. Chalo. Is it fine now? Now, what am I doing with it? So, can anybody tell me what is basically multiplication? Can anybody tell me what is multiplication? Anyone? Multiplication is the
Put it down.
repeated addition of a numbers.
what? Addition of the numbers.
Ma'am, can I note it all?
Oh, no, beta, listen. What I'll do is I'll give you this PPT. Don't worry. I'll give you in writing also everything. Okay. Is this visible to everyone? Last
I
time we
want
have
to-
discussed this. Last
I
time
want
we have
to-
discussed this.
Yes.
If I take notes, then I will not forget what am I
Which
doing.
sign is
That's
this?
what-
Chalo, tell me. Which sign is? Wait, no.
Addition.
I see Zainab answering. I can only see Musfira.
Addition.
Addition.
Everyone
Addition.
loudly. What is?
Amara wants to ask something. Amara, minus
Amara.
my.
Okay, everyone. Okay, Amara, carry on. Amara, go on.
Ma'am, I wanted to say that first I know multiplication. I just forgot I will learn multiplication.
Okay. We have started just beta. Don't worry. We have to do a lot of things in multiplication. This is to like a first session only. It will go very long because I'll do in detail. Okay. So did not worry about it.
ma'am.
I'll help you out for everything. What is this sign? Everyone together. Subtraction.
Subtraction.
Everyone. And what is that?
Subtraction.
Okay. Now come to this. What is multiplication? It means it is known as repeated addition. Who wanted to know? See this? Repeated addition. Okay, like if you see over here, how many times the 3 is added? Now I want, I want Ali to answer. Ali, where are you? Ali is roaming.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can tell.
Ali, how many times the 3 is added? Tell me. How many times the 3 is added?
It's 5 times.
Okay. And which number is added again and again? 3. So 5 3s are 15. If you add this, Zainab, what are you doing? What will happen? You'll get 15. Come over here. Can you see the triangles? Can you see the triangles? Now I want Musfira Sayyed to answer. She didn't answer for a long. Okay. Musfira Sayyed.
Yes.
Yeah. No. Leave this. Leave this. This I'll explain you. This leave it. Okay. Now see over here. Can you see the butterflies? Can you see the butterflies? Yes. How many butterflies? How many butterflies?
Let me count.
No, now you can 2. Plus 2. Plus 2. That's it. How many times we have taken 2? How many times we have taken 2?
3 times.
Now 3 times.
Four
Four times.
Yeah? But
4 times.
can I say
Four
multiplication is nothing but repeated addition? Everyone.
And ma'am, also for multiply by 2 is 8.
Okay. Zainab, have you understood what is multiplication?
Ma'am, I know 2 table, so that's why I just opposited that.
Okay.
2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. So four
Zainab,
multiplied
I'm
by
asking
4
you,
is
beta.
equal
You have to unmute yourself. Have you understood?
Yes.
Khatija, how about you? Understood
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
multiplication?
Ma'am,
Who's understood what is
above
multiplication?
we can
Give me a
write
thumbs
that
up, everyone.
multiplication is nothing but repeated addition.
Musfira, Amara, give me a thumbs up. Musfira, Rizwani, stop that. Concentrate in the class. Amir, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Now, this is an activity. Now, I want everyone to concentrate and everyone to mute yourself. Okay. I want to see which kid is smart. Mute yourself. I only ask the specific person. I have made this activity for you. You know, I made this PPT. Now, let's see. Ali, are you there? If you're not sitting at your place, I'm not allowing you to answer. Huh? That's the first rule of my activity. That's very clear. I want my each and every kid to sit in the front of the camera. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I go to
What, Musfira? What, Musfira?
I'm thirsty. Can I go to
Go
the
fast. Go fast. Whoever wants to drink water, do whatever. Chalo fast. 2 minutes. It will be 10:40 then. Fast. We don't have so much of time.
Ma'am, what do we have to do?
I will let you know. Let the others come. Here, I'm starting with the tables. 2's tables, 3's tables. Okay. 4's, 5's table. First, I'm starting with 2's. You should know now what is 2 1s are. You won't keep adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 again and again. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 4 times. 2 adding
Ma'am,
4,
2
5.
ones are 2 ones are 2.
No. We are doing it over here. We are doing it. Everybody came. Musfira.
Okay.
Musfira Rizwani is not at all concentrating today. I don't know why she's so distracted today. Okay.
Ma'am,
Wait.
5.
Everybody mute yourself. Everybody. First, I want Musfira Rizwani to only start with this. Okay, Musfira Rizwani. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me how many boxes, how many rectangle did I take? How many rectangle did I take?
1,
Okay. And in that rectangle, how many stars are there?
2,
Very nice. So, can I say 2 into box is 1? I mean, the rectangle is 1. 2 into 1 is equals to what? Equals to what? How many are there? In one box, yes, 2.
I was telling that.
So 2 ones is 2. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Let's go to
Ma'am,
another
if
box.
you multiply anything with 1, it will be the
That
same
number.
answer.
Yes, yes, Musfira, yes. Amara, next is your turn. Wait, I'll just go to this box.
Okay, ma'am. Is it this one, ma'am?
Yes. Can you see this? 2 ones are 2 I have written over here. Can you see this? So in computers, the multiplication sign is given by this in the keyboard. So just assume this as a multiplication sign. Okay. Don't get confused. Okay. Amara, now tell me. In each box, how many are there? How many stars are there?
Box.
Look,
There are 2 rectangles.
there are 2. No, first tell me the stars. Tell me the stars, then tell me the boxes. The stars, if you see kids, I will keep the same number of, listen, I'll keep the same number of stars. What I'll keep changing is the boxes, 2. And how many rectangles, how many boxes?
2.
Count it, how much it is? How much it is?
2, 2.
2 into 2, count it, how much it is?
2 into 2 is 4.
Yes. 2 into 2. What was 2 ones are? What was 2 ones are, kids? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos
2
are
and the 2.
2 twos are 4. Now I want, wait, I want Amir to answer. Amir.
2 4s are 8.
Ma'am, next I can tell.
Yes, yes, you can. Look, can you see? Either you say 2 plus 2 or 2 into 2. You'll get 4. Yes, Amir, your turn. Tell me, what should I write? Tell me. This is quite interesting. Tell me, what should I write?
2 3s are 4 6.
Very nice. 2 into 3 equals to what?
6.
Look, there are 2 stars in each box. How many boxes? 3. Next is who? Who wants to say this? Ian. Chalo, tell me, Ian. Chalo, tell me. How many boxes? In each box, 2 is common. 2 I'll keep common because I'm dealing with 2 stable. Now tell me, how many boxes are there? See? 2.
There are 4 boxes.
Yes, add them. Add them. How many are there? Add them.
8.
Let him do it. Ian, how many are there? Add?
8.
Yes, 8. Now I want Zainab to answer this. So tell me, can anybody repeat it? What was the previous table? Can anyone repeat it? What was the previous? 2 ones are? Come on, say
2
it.
1s are 2. 2 2s are 4.
2 3s
2
are
2s
6.
are
2 4s are 8.
2
4s are 8.
Now we will now we will go to,
2
yes.
3s are 6.
I want Zainab to answer now. Is everyone Zainab now? After this, Khatija. Yeah, Zainab. Tell me, what should I write? You have to tell me what I have to write. 2 are the stars in each box. And how many boxes? Yes. Very nice. What is the answer? Tell me.
10, ma'am.
Khatija, very nice. So 2 5s are 10. Now I want Khatija to answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. After this, Ali will answer. Then Amara's chance is done, na? Okay. Tell me, Khatija. Tell me, what should I write? You only tell me. 2.
Okay. 2 times 6.
Yes. Then 6. Na? You said 6, right? Yeah.
Yes.
See, how much is it?
Now I want to answer this.
What will be the
I know.
answer?
Equals 12.
12. Okay. Now I want Musfira Ali to answer this.
Ma'am, I didn't get to answer.
You are answering everywhere, beta.
No.
Now,
I haven't answered for so long.
chalo. Who I said? Musfira Rizwani, right? Tell me, what should I write?
Me.
Okay, Ali.
Ali.
Ali, tell me. Amara, don't leave your place. It is very important. Yeah. 2. How many times? How many blocks are there?
In
Count, na?
Six.
No. 1, 2,
What is 6 plus
4,
1?
5,
Add it
6,
and just
7. How many are there? 7. Now add these. Add this. How much you'll get? Add these stars. How much you'll get?
14.
Yes. Okay. Next, I want Musfira Sayyed to answer. Chalo, Musfira. Tell me.
2 8
2 8 is what?
16.
Very nice. 2 8 I'll make this just 16.
Ma'am, erase the 4 and make it 6.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Beta. Chalo. Next, I want Musfira Rizwani to answer. Where are you, Musfira Rizwani? 8. Now what?
2 9s are
Yeah, how much? One more block is added. Yeah, tell me. What 2 9s are? How much, Musfira? Till here it was 16, na? So add 2. Add 2. How much you'll get? Add 2. 16 plus 2 is how much?
19.
No, 18.
18.
18. Now the last one. I want Ian to answer. Ian. Chalo, tell me. Last one.
20.
But what? 2 into what is 20?
Ma'am,
Yes, Amara. 2 into? 2 into?
2 10s are 20.
Very nice. Very good, Ian. So this was all about the 2's table. I will just stop sharing.
Ian already got a chance.
Chalo. You got
Amir
it.
didn't get a chance, ma'am.
got
Amir
it.
didn't get a
Amir
chance.
got it, right, Amir? I have asked you. Now, who will tell me the table of 2, starting from the 2 ones from 1? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, Musfira Rizwani.
Oh,
Ma'am, Khadija.
let Amir start. Because everybody of you got 2 times chances. He didn't get. Chalo, Amir, start. Start, Amir.
2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20.
Clap for him. Clap for him. He was so perfect. Clap for him. He was so perfect. Very nice. Okay.
No 2 table kapka from second
No.
grade I know.
Okay, you know 3's table? You know 3's table?
No,
I know 5 table and 2 table and this table. What
I
is
know
it?
9's
One,
table.
2 and 5.
I
I
didn't
know
give it
1,
to
2 and 5's table. That is it.
Okay, you know 9's table?
Yes. Say the 2 table.
I don't know 9's table. I know 10's table, ma'am. I know 10's
Okay, no,
table.
but in my class, let me complete it. You have to learn till 10. We will do till 10. Okay, chalo.
Child 2 table.
Musfira Rizwani, yeah, tell me 2's table.
2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 20 are
Very
20.
nice. Okay. What have you done? What have you done? You kept adding 2. Am I right? You kept adding 2. Right? You kept adding 2. Stop it. How many of you know 3's table? How many of you know 3's table? Raise your hand.
5, 6, 35.
Khatija, 5's table is very
35.
I know.
3's table. Anybody know 3's table?
I only know 2 and
Ma'am,
1
I'm there.
table and 10 one.
No.
I
Zainab, what about you? Zainab,
Three.
how do you know 3's table?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Musfira, you know 3's table?
Which Musfira?
Rizwani, you only.
No.
Ayan, you know 3's table?
Yes.
Khatija, you know 3's table?
Just stop.
Musfira Sayyed, you know
No,
3's
ma'am.
table? No, ma'am.
No.
Amir, you know 3's table?
Yes.
Oh, Amara, you know 3's table? Yes or no? It's even if you don't know, tell me no. It's okay, but don't lie. Even if you don't know, it's okay.
Ma'am, I know only little.
Okay. Next, when we meet, learn your 2's table perfectly. Okay.
I also know.
Okay, Ali. Yeah, Ali, you don't.
I can take 2's table really fast. I can do
Ian, Ian, you also know 3's table. Yeah, Ian.
2 and the 2, 2 to the
You
4
know?
to
Okay.
table
Listen, Listen. What I'll do.
5 to the 5 to the 10, 5
Listen. I will give you one activity based on your art for this table step. Okay, I will let you know that on Friday. Okay, you have to submit that till Monday.
Ma'am, I'll send you a video on the group that the 2's table.
Right
I'll
now?
send you.
Okay.
Not now, after all the classes.
Yeah, we'll do. Okay, listen.
Look
Next,
at 9 table.
you know till 9th table, lovely. Very
11.
nice. Look, kids, when we meet next, I will do 3's table, 4's table, 5's table with you. Please, everybody come to this class. Okay, Mariam is absent today. We will talk about more about multiplication. Okay, we will do the different ways how you can get the tables, how you can learn the tables. Okay, in the next session. Now I think I should end. It's already 10:40. Okay, chalo. Bye everyone. Take care. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Ma'am, Amara and Ami want to ask something. They raised their hand. Oh,
Yeah, Amara.
wow. Amara left.
Okay, chalo. Bye.
Bye.